गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रॉम डिंगबोचे। आज हम जा रहे हैं लबूचे और मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ बाहर का मौसम। स्नो पड़ रही है फुल, देखिए आज पूरा पूरे माउंटेन्स क्लाउडी हैं एंड इट्स स्नोइंग। तो लबूचे का ऑल्टीट्यूड है 4,940 meters. The trail will be super hard and rugged today, and yeah, it will take around 6 to 7 hours to reach, and that's the final push. Then we'll go to Rutherglen and final Everest base camp. Stay tuned. देखिए कितना ही it's very cold. This is today's weather. It's snowing. पता नहीं आज कितना डिफिकल्ट होने वाला है ट्रैक बिकॉज ऑफ द स्नोफॉल। इट्स फुल क्लाउडी, कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है आज। और लबूचे इज़ अराउंड 7 hours। काफ़ी रफ और डिफ़िकल्ट ट्रेन है आज का। वी विल गो ऑल द वे अप, वहाँ पे जहाँ पे स्टूपा दिख रहा है आपको। We will cross that and go down and then start a walk from there. So yeah, it's interesting. Never been in this weather and did a hike, but let's see how we go. Okay, so here we are trying to make the world's smallest snowman. Still incomplete. The snowman is a little scary. Snowman.
102
I know। और हम लोग निकल चुके हैं लाबूचे की तरफ। टाइम इज अराउंड 8:20, so it will be around 7 hours before we reach Labouche. Weather has drastically improved. You can see it's no longer snowing, so yeah, we'll go slow and steady. फर्स्ट पिट स्टॉप। सबने बहुत सारे लेयर्स पहन रखे थे और वेदर एकदम चेंज हो गया तो सब अपने अपने लेयर्स उतार रहे हैं। और फिर हम इसके बाद वो देखिए जहाँ दूर आपको लोग दिख रहे हैं जाते हुए, that's where we are going to go. That's the way to Labouche. ये देखिए, you can see people in the far walking. That's where we will be going. Weather is still cloudy. हम लोगों को 1 घंटा हो गया चलते हुए। It's really hard to breathe. But look at the path that we have to walk. It's absolutely beautiful. We left Dingbouche and it was really cold, and we walked into the Khola Valley. You can see the river next to the Khola Valley that flow besides the whole walk when you're walking. And you could see Amadablam as well, and Amadablam absolutely looked like a giant pointy hat in the sky. As we went up, the land changed. There were absolutely less trees. The whole scenery changed into plantation basically. on this. Weather has changed again. It started to snow a little bit. Look, that is where we have to go for a lunch, and then from there it's gonna be climb up to that mountain, and after that mountain will be Labouche. Can't even talk. Lunchtime.
How much is it? Minus 4.
This is Everest Memorial. super crash 6 days ago in Labouche. You guys can see that. Okay guys, I can barely talk, but I'll still try to capture. We have almost reached Labouche and it took us around similar amount of time, closer to 7 hours with 1 hour lunch break, and Lhotse is absolutely stunning. बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है. Temperature must be around -4, -5. It was snowing throughout the way as well. But yeah, so far so good.
वाइट वाला कोड करो फटाफट. लकी है.
Alright, looks like that's where we're staying. Himalayan Eco Resort. Today has been hard.
We crossed the mighty Tukla Pass today.
Huh?
We crossed the mighty Tukla Pass today.
What does that even mean? Okay, we've reached our destination और मंगल भैया as always, उनको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, उनकी स्माइल बरकरार है. Yeah.
मंगल.
This is our accommodation. We have a lot of people and less rooms today, so we're all gonna kind of share rooms. That's Raju and Sudhir, exhausted, can't even talk. And then we have this room where I don't know who is going to snore loud. I think it's going to be Hemant, the snorer.